In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers and review the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your accounting processes and enhance your financial tracking, this feature is essential. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, navigate to your QuickBooks Online interface and focus your attention at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which is your gateway to various settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, select Accounts and Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where we will start configuring our settings to display account numbers. With Accounts and Settings open, take a look at the left-hand panel, where you'll find different categories. We need to go into the Advanced tab. Click on it to proceed. This section holds several advanced configurations for your QuickBooks operations, and it's where you have the option to manage your chart of accounts settings. Within the Advanced tab, you'll see Chart of Accounts as a selectable option. Click on this, and you'll notice an option to enable account numbers. This feature allows you to assign specific numbers to different accounts, which can greatly enhance your organization and reporting capabilities. Once you spot this setting, toggle it to enable account numbers. Remember to save these changes by clicking the Save button and then click Done to exit the Settings menu. This ensures that your adjustments are applied and will take effect immediately. Now, to review your updated chart of accounts, we need to access it directly. Head back to the gear icon. It'll become a familiar friend in your journey, at the top right corner of the page. From there, select Chart of Accounts from the navigation options. This action takes you to a detailed table showcasing all your account entries. With account numbers enabled, take a moment to observe the updated Chart of Accounts table. You'll notice a new column labeled for account numbers, adding clarity and order to your accounts list. This addition can be particularly useful for tracking, sorting, or categorizing your different accounts, especially when handling complex financial structures. To further illustrate the benefits of this feature, try clicking on an account within your chart of accounts. Then, choose the Edit option. You'll now see a new field specifically designated for entering an account number. Input a number that corresponds to your internal or industry standard conventions. This numeration can play a key role in enhancing your accounting efficiency. And just like that, you've successfully enabled account numbers and explored your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can optimize your bookkeeping practices, making it easier to track finances and generate comprehensive reports. Thanks for joining me today. Happy accounting, and until next time, take care.